A little bit of Friuli Venezia Giulia in the United States. What are you doing in Denver?
Well, I have a concert tonight, which is an audiovisual show. So it's gonna start soon, and with the laser. And I'm hosting this beautiful festival called the Leaf Festival in Colorado, in Lafayette. And I'm very proud to be here. Yes.
But this is not the only state you're visiting.
No, I've been all over the place. So I was before in Erie, in Pennsylvania, then in San Francisco, in California, and then now in Colorado. And the next is Austin, then Indiana, and then I'm going to Florida. So a little bit all over the place. Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about your work.
So yeah, I am a teacher at the conservatory, and as a side job, I mean, I love to perform live with shows that are audiovisual. So there is a visual component that you look at, and then sound, of course, and it's kind of very cinematographic, and it lasts maybe 40 minutes, something like that. And in this case, I use lasers, one laser, and it's quite intense, psychedelic. Maybe you will see later. And usually I mean, I had a very good feedback from the people in San Francisco, so I think it's a good show.
And when back in Trieste, where can we find you or how can people follow your work?
Well, I have social medias. So my name is JesterN. So it's like Western with a J. You can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, on the websites, I mean, everything.